Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to this Luna Classic update. It's been a while. I haven't talked about Luna Classic, but it seems to me that Luna Classic is not bad, uh, especially on the daily. And I do understand that Bitcoin is the one that is moving up. We've seen Bitcoin going to $72,000, 73 nearly. But the thing is that Bitcoin has been moving up, but any altcoins, especially Luna Classic and any other different altcoin, they are not able to catch up with Bitcoin. And I've talked about the fact that there's a very big imbalance between altcoins and Bitcoin. So for example, Bitcoin has made a new all-time high. Luna Classic has yet to make another new all-time high, right? So we still need a further 200% pump in order to make a new, actually to reach back to the all-time high, and maybe 230% is actually going to give you that break of all-time high and actually go on and make a new all-time high. So in my opinion right now, what I may make, or the conclusion that I have of what's going on in the market, is that there's this concept known as buying Bitcoin first and then putting money from Bitcoin. I mean, the money flow goes from Bitcoin all the way to large caps, and large caps are going to be Ethereum, Polkadot, probably Cardano, XRP. Even though Cardano and XRP haven't been moving, it's kind of weird. And then you go on to maybe other meme coin kind of project where you have Floki, Shib, and stuff like that. And then you just go on to the small caps altcoin, and then you do have somewhere in here you do have Luna Classic as well. Okay, so Bitcoin of course has to go first because this is where the money is, and then the large caps are going to be the second one, and then you have at the bottom of the chain you have all this meme coins and altcoins, low cap altcoin and stuff like that. That's where Luna Classic comes in. And this is the reason why Bitcoin is pumping, but altcoins are not pumping. If you are wondering what's going on, reason being is money is in Bitcoin, but when the money is going to come out of Bitcoin, you're going to see different altcoins all of a sudden start to pump, and Bitcoin may move sideways. So do expect Bitcoin, wherever it wants to go, 75,000, 80,000, when it reaches there and starts to consolidate, right? That's when the money actually goes from Bitcoin and actually comes down to Luna Classic. So when is it going to happen? I really don't know. It depends how far all these big investors and the whales want to push Bitcoin. But at some point, I do believe that they're going to actually stop pushing Bitcoin, and then they're going to come into altcoin as well. Now you can even say that this consolidation ever since 2nd of March for the past 11 days, we may actually even say that there's a sideways pattern or a pennant that is getting created for Luna Classic at the moment, and you can see it's something like this. So it's not bad. You're moving up, you're making consolidation. You can actually break to go all the way to 2800 or 28,000, I actually may say. Also, the EMAs are pretty good. Okay, you're still holding the 10 EMA. Your bull cross is still maintained. So even though we haven't seen the pump, as I said before, the structure is well maintained, not just for Luna Classic, but for every altcoin, especially your EMAs, the bull cross that happened, they are still in play. So let's see what happens, hopefully, because to flip bearish or to say you're going to have a big, correction to the downside, we need more than what we have currently. We need proper bearish divergences. We need divergence on the 4-hour time frame as well, which is not happening. But there are instances where we can see the RSI making this little bit of a bearish divergence as well. This is the only concern, but it's still the price up here is still not an issue. Yes, the RSI though itself is an issue, but the prices are not an issue up there. So that's all for this video. Let's hope we get to 28,000 hopefully in the future. And this actually has a decision pending until 16th of March, so 3 more days. Let's see. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.